So new support and resistances have been modified. So above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and there are very high chances that it will reach here and then give a sudden resistance till here. Okay, so there are high chances when it crosses this level, aim for the target here and then completely exit your quantity, because the reason is there are high chances that it will give complete reversal because it is trying to make an head and shoulders type of pattern. And below this level you have to look for shorting opportunities. Once it comes here and makes a bearish type of pattern, then we have to look for shorting opportunities. And then again this is an area where you have to look for buying opportunities, but it's better that you look for buying opportunities only in half quantity. And below this level, if it comes, then it is very clear that we have to look for shorting in full quantity. Third, market has given a down move. There are very high probability that it may continue giving further down move. So in here we have to look for shorting opportunities if we get one. Okay, below this level if it crosses, then also we have to look for shorting opportunities. Any bounce, if it comes, avoid it, avoid any bounce. Okay, avoid taking trade in the bounce. There are very high chances it will probably break down this level also and continue the downside move, because on weekly we had decided that the levels above which we have to look for buying opportunities and shorting one. And if it crosses above this level and stays a little bit, then there are chances that it will completely reverse. Okay, same in GBPUSD. So as we discussed previously, we have decided that above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and market has provided one, and we have booked 34 pips easily in USDJPY. And below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities. So it has now given a shorting opportunity here, if you can see in 15 minutes. In it, at first there was a stop loss below this level. Okay, because of this sudden reversal, and after that when it closed below this level, then we had an opportunity for shorting. And again after 34 pips profit, again we have got 20 pips profit. And since it went 80% in our direction, almost 90%, 90 to 95%, and then completely reversed, so our trail SL got hit. So below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities. So I'll modify new support and resistances. So same in Euro USD also. Above this level we had to look for buying opportunities, and most of us got one, 13 pips. Below this level we had to look for shorting opportunities, and this was a no trade zone. Okay, you can see this was a no trade zone, and below this level we had to look for shorting opportunities, and we got one also. And our first target, which was of 26 pips, and second target, which was of 56 pips, we had achieved easily. Okay, so one first target and the second target easily. That's the power of trailing. Once it moved in our favor, then I trailed my SL here, and luckily it moved in our favor and gave our first target and second target too. And now after this trail SL, our trail SL got hit here. No problem. Below this level I'll modify new support also. So in here we had decided that at this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and it gave one also. Okay, from here till here we have achieved 29 pips easily, and this was the second target, but it went in our direction and completely reversed the move. So no problem, we had decided that we'll take only in half quantity, so it is in profit only. At this level this was a no trade zone, so hopefully no one has taken trade yet. Take any trade until and unless, take only trade when it comes above this level only. Okay, if it comes above this level and consolidates a bit, then we have to look for buying opportunities on the upside till the target is achieved. This is the target. And below this level, okay, there are high chances that it may give a bounce, but it is of no use, better not trade here. Okay, so this whole zone is of no trade zone. Below this level only we have to take trade. Is a no trade zone. Don't trade in here. It's better you take trade above this level or below this level. That you have to take entry in here and keep the SL of 200 points only. Multiple times you can take trade, and target will be 1000 to 3000 points. Okay, and take multiple entries only if possible. In here below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities for scalp in half quantity only, so nothing like that happened. That's good. Above this level I had told that we have to look for buying opportunities. Market may take a bounce from here or from here. Okay, you can see the arrow. So above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and I had told that we have to take an entry in here. So we have to achieve easy 1000 to 1400 points. Okay, 1600 points here, and then 3000. Okay, we have achieved easy 3000 points. So I had told earlier also, so now we'll remove it. Keep on taking the SL very small and target very high, and trailing. There are very high chances that you will end up in good profit. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified, so it's better that you wait for consolidation, and once this level gets crossed, then we have to look for buying opportunities. Below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities only in half quantity, because chances are we can again see a good bounce and the trend is on the upside. Okay, and in here also if any move comes, then look for buying opportunities only. So multiple times, every support is a good bounce, every support is a good buying opportunity until and unless it crosses this level. We have to look for shorting opportunities in half quantity. This level we have to look for shorting opportunities in half quantity, and at this level we have to look for buying opportunities in full quantity. In here also we have to look for buying opportunities. In here we have to look for buying opportunities only if the consolidation happens. We had decided 2 to 3 possibilities. First possibility was below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities in half quantity. It also went 2 to 300 points in our direction and completely reversed. So no problem, our trail SL got it. Below this level we have to look for a good bounce and then take in full quantity. So nothing like that happened. This was a no trade zone, and above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and now it is making a good type of trade, and we have achieved 450 pips. And above this level we have to continue looking for buying opportunities. I'll modify new support and resistances. Support and resistances have been modified. It's better if you are looking for shorting opportunities, take in half quantity, and this is an area for buying opportunity. This too, okay, short in half quantity. So I'll write at, and above this level, if it consolidates, then only we have to look for buying opportunities. Until this, if it consolidates, then only we have to look for buying opportunities. And below this, we have to look for shorting opportunities in half quantity only, until and unless a bearish pattern is made. So it's better you wait. And if you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.